we should not comply, we should not be obedient if parents ask us to do something against the Shariah, against the Islamic law of Allah Azza wa Jal and Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Because it is also a sin to obey them in unlawful matters. For example, if parents ask us to tell a lie, or to shave off our beards, or to keep it less than a fistful, then do not listen to them at all on these things, no matter how angry they become. You will not be classified as being disobedient in this case. However, if you do comply on unlawful things, then you will be classified as being disobedient to Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal. Similarly, if parents separate, if they are divorced, and no matter how much the mother cries and orders you not to meet your father, then this order will not be obeyed. You will have to meet your father and also serve him, even though they have separated, but that relationship with the children is never broken. Children will have to observe equal rights for both of them. The one whose parents have passed away while being displeased with him, he should abundantly make dua for their forgiveness, as the greatest gift for the deceased is supplication, is dua for their forgiveness. Send Isal Thawab on their behalf as well. Hopefully, these deceased parents who are displeased with him, they will become pleased inshallah with him if he sends gifts of good deeds continuously. It is mentioned on page 197 of Bahari Shariat, volume 16. The beloved Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said, somebody's parents, or one of them, if they passed away in a state that they were displeased with him, he was disobedient to his parents, now he should ask for their forgiveness as much as he can, so that Allah Azza wa Jal writes his name amongst the pious people. Subhanallah.